Time now for Royal Watch with the Sun. Let's check in with the legendary Arthur Edwards, the Sun's royal photographer for 40 years. He is in London. Arthur, welcome back.
Thank you, Richard.
The Queen made a surprise public appearance this week.
It's the London Fashion Awards, which is going on at the moment. I went with the Queen to do a job on Tuesday morning, and she was going to the Royal College of Physicians. And I thought I had a great picture that day. I was really delighted with myself to learn that at 2 o'clock, without any notice, she'd gone to the London Fashion Awards, and there was the Queen of England sitting next to the Queen of Fashion and Anna Wintour.
Look at that, even your body language says it's been a disappointing week. Many women at the BAFTAs wore a black dress in support of the Time's Up movement. Kate did not.
She got a lot of criticism, most of it on the social media. The fact is, she'd spent $5,000 on a dress, and she was determined to wear it. And also, the fact that she wore a black sash, black handbag and black shoes, most people thought she gave a nod to the cause. Let me tell you, Richard, she's 7 months pregnant. She never looked better. She looks absolutely magnificent.
Arthur Edwards, I look forward to next week when hopefully your reflections won't be laced with abject disappointment.
So do I. Look forward to it, Richard.
Me too, Arthur. Thank you.